Today we're going to be going over how to download and install the Spellcheck add-on for the WikidPad software. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing you should do is go into your browser and type in WikidPad SourceForge. Okay, we're going to click on the WikidPad Wiki Notebook for Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Once you're here at the WikidPad SourceForge page, go ahead and scroll down to the downloadable links, find the Spellcheck add-on, and go ahead and click on that download. It'll take you to the more official SourceForge page, and your download should start automatically. Once your download is complete, click Show in Folder. This should open your computer's Downloads folder. Go ahead and exit out of your browser, you won't be needing it anymore. Next, click on the Spell add-on executable file. Once the Spellcheck add-on installer is up, click Next. This is a lesser general public license, so there's nothing to worry about here. Go ahead and click Accept and click Next. Now this is going to ask you where you want to install the Spell add-on software. I would highly recommend that you install this wherever you installed your WikidPad software. I'm going to leave that as it is. I like that, and it's exactly where all of my other WikidPad software is gone, so I'm going to click Next. If that's not the case for you, click the Browse function to go find your WikidPad folder and use that as the base for your install. Here it wants you to review your information, make sure this is going to get installed where you'd like. If that's correct, go ahead and click Install. Just like the last video, this has already been installed on my computer, so I'm going to cancel the setup. All right, once your install is finished, go ahead and open WikidPad. When you open WikidPad for the first time, it should look something like this. You may have already played around with it a little bit and made some adjustments, but for the most part, it'll look like this. Now, in order for you to enable your Spellcheck add-on settings, you're going to need to go into the Wiki Settings page. In order for us to add a new attribute, we're going to go up here and click the Switch Editor Preview button. Once that's been changed, it should change the look of the page. Go ahead and click on the space right above this Global Importance Low Color Gray attribute. We want you to type in bracket global.language space EN for English _ capital US close bracket. What this does is it sets the global language for your wiki. Your Spellcheck add-on will not function unless you set the global language for your wiki, because it doesn't know what language to look for. Once that's done, go back up to your toggle to Switch Editor Preview button and click that. Then go ahead and go back to your My Wiki page right here. Okay, now to test to make sure that the Spellcheck add-on is functioning correctly, go ahead and click your Switch Editor Preview button again and type something that doesn't make any sense, and you can see all of these words, other than the word balloon, are all being underlined with this red mark. That means that your Spellcheck add-on is functioning correctly and you have successfully installed your Spellcheck add-on. If you're not seeing this, it's one of two problems. One, if you look here in your Edit tab, your Spellcheck while type function does not have a checkmark box. If that doesn't have a checkmark box, go ahead and click on that, and that should enable this function. Otherwise, go back into your file folder and make sure that the Spellcheck software was successfully installed and installed in the correct place relative to your WikidPad software. Last step, go into your Edit tab, go down to Spellcheck, and open your Spellcheck dialog. If this pops up and it's giving you suggestions based on these words that you spelled incorrectly, then you have installed your Spellcheck software correctly. One cool feature in the Spellcheck software is that you can add words globally or locally to your pages. To add a word globally means that no matter what page I'm in over here, it could be Scratchpad, it could be any of a myriad of pages that I generate, whatever word that I add globally will register as a correct English word in every one of those pages. However, if I add a word locally, then that word will only be recognized as a valid English word on the page that I added it to. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your Spellcheck add-on software to WikidPad. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. If you would like to support our channel, please subscribe.